Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by creating two files, index, HTML and script, JS inside one project folder. This keeps path simple. Once created, open the folder in Visual Studio Code so you can reference files quickly. Make sure Live Server is installed or plan to use a simple static server. This lets you view changes without manual refresh. Save both files. These are the first actionable steps. Once done, you'll add the actual link in the HTML and verify the path immediately. Now you add the script tag to index. HTML place script src equals script. JS/script just before the closing body tag for best loading behavior. If your JavaScript resides in a subfolder, use a relative path like /JS/script. JS, this is why file placement matters. Save and run Live Server or your chosen server. Then open DevTools console if you see syntax or loading errors. The console will tell you the failing path and line so you can correct it quickly. Finish by testing your JavaScript. Run functions in the console and interact with page elements to confirm behavior. If things fail, first check spelling of the file name and the src path. That fixes most issues. Make sure your server is running and consider a hard reload or disabling cache because browsers can serve old scripts. One key troubleshooting tip: if the console shows 404 for the script, the path is wrong, correct it and reload. Then verify the behavior again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.